Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In this class, we will discuss about bulbs in series and parallel. So when bulbs connected in series and parallel, so which is going to fuse, which is going to work in series and parallel, we will see. So before going to this topic, we should come to know if two resistors connected in series, what is the effective resistance formula? R1 plus R2. So parallel means 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, 1 by R2 equal. So what are those powers formula? So powers means it will be coming reverse. 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2. Here parallel means P1 plus P2. So these two coils, heaters, water heaters they are going to say. So whenever this heater, one of the heater which is having resistance R1 is going to boil the water in T1 time. So second heater which is having resistance R2 is boiling water in T2 time. If these two connected in series, what is the formula means? Ts is T1 plus T2. If these two connected in parallel, so what is the formula means? 1 by Tp is equal to, so 1 by T1 plus 1 by T2. How they will ask question means, one of the heater 5 minutes it is taking, another heater 10 minutes it is taking. So if those two connected in series, effective time will be 15 minutes. In this, Tp is going to be 10 into 5 by 15. Correct? T1, T2 by T1 plus T2. 10 by 3 seconds. These formulas are going to be important. And another one, when resistors in series, power formula we came to know, V square by R, I square R, another one is going to be VI. If resistors in series, what will be same? In series, current is going to be same. If current is same, when resistors in series or bulbs in series, current is same means I is going to be same. Then power is going to be directly proportional to R, power is directly proportional to V. So which is having high resistance, it is having more power, it is going to consume more power if bulbs or resistors in series. If those are in parallel, if bulbs in parallel, what is same? Voltage is same. Whenever voltage is same, so V is same. Then power is inversely proportional to resistance. Power is directly proportional to current. So at the time which is having less resistance, it is going to consume more power. Correct? So more current, more power is going to be present. So like this, we are going to take. If resistance is less, it is going to consume more power. So if you remember this, whenever we are solving the problem, it will become easy for us. So 99% we will use only these three equations in case of power. Now we will see one simple problem. Two bulbs I am taking. One is 50 watts, 50 watts, which is going to be rated 100 volts. Another one is 100 watts at 100 volts. Two bulbs, B1, B2. So whenever they give, this is power, this is voltage, power, voltage. So that bulb resistance first we have to find. How we will find resistance means power is equal to V square by R, I square R, VA. If you want to find resistance, resistance of the bulb 1. So V square by P. What is the voltage here? 100 into 100 by 50. Therefore, 200 ohms. So bulb B1 resistance is 200 ohms. Now what is the resistance of bulb B2? R2 is equal to same formula. 100 into 100 by, so this is going to be 100, correct? 100 will be cancelled. So resistance of second bulb is 100. Now both the bulbs connected in series to a voltage 200 volts. Then which is going to fuse, which is going to work, they are going to ask. How we are going to calculate means, first B1 is going to bear how much current. For that we have to use this formula. So P is equal to VI. So for the first bulb, I1 is equal to P1 by V1. What is the power here? 50. What is the voltage? Rated voltage. So 1 by 2. So 0.5 amperes. B1 can bear 0.5 amperes. Now we will see B2. So for this, I2 is equal to P2 by V2. Now what is P2 here? Power 100 by 100. That is going to be 1 ampere. It can bear 1 ampere. Now this resistance, B1 resistance, how much we got? 200 ohms. This is 100 ohms. Now what is the effective resistance? 300. Therefore, the total current I is equal to V by RS. What is V here? 200. What is the effective resistance? 300. So 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means 0.6 amperes. Now see, this can bear only 0.5 amperes. This can bear up to 1 ampere. How much current is entering now? 0.6. Therefore, which one will not work? Which one will be working means B2 will work, because it can bear 1 ampere but it is going only 0.6 amperes. But this can bear only 0.5, you are sending more. Therefore, B1 is going to fuse. In series, what is the disadvantage means? Once it is broken, it is not working, remaining circuit will not work. But which is going to fuse first means B1 is going to fuse, B2 will not fuse. Understood? So which is bearing current, which is sending current, which is rated voltage, which is supplied voltage. If we are supplying, let us assume here 100 volts. At the time, same equation how we are going to get means I is equal to V by RS. 100 by 300. How much? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means 0.3 amperes. Now this is up to 0.5, this is 1. Therefore, both the bulbs are going to be working for 100 volts. For 200 volts, only B2 will be working, B1 is going to fuse. But after fusing this, this one also will not work because circuit is going to be broken. I hope you people understood. Next, same bulbs if they connected in parallel. So B1, B2. So what is the resistance of this? R1 is 200 ohms, R2 is 100 ohms. Now both are connected to same voltage, that is going to be, first we will see 200 volts. Now how much B1 can bear? Same current, that is B1 can bear up to 0.5 amperes. B2 can bear up to 1 ampere. Now what is the total current is entering? I we should calculate first. How we are going to calculate I means I is equal to V by RP. Now V is 200. RP we should calculate. So what is the effective resistance when these two resistors in series means? Parallel means RP is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So 200 into 100 by 300. So 200 by 3. 200 by 3 means 6 3s are 66. 66 point something. That much amperes current is entering. Correct? Sorry, 66 ohms, not current, that is. Otherwise, remember 200 by 3 only. This is resistance, not current. RP we are calculating 200 by 3 ohms. Substitute this RP in this equation. Then I is equal to 200 by 3. That is going to be 3 amperes. So 3 amperes is entering here. Now how much will be going for R1, how much will be going for R2? So when two resistors in parallel, what will be same? Voltage is same. Therefore, I1 is equal to 200 by resistance of this 2. So 1 ampere. So in this, I2 is equal to 200 by 100, 2 amperes. In this 2 amperes is going, in this 1 ampere is going. But B1 bulb can bear only 0.5. B2 bulb can bear only 1 ampere. Correct? So here we wrote 1 ampere 0.5. This one will not be changed because this is rated power. Therefore, 1 ampere is passing, it can bear 0.5. Therefore, B1 will fuse. So 1 ampere it can bear, but it is going 2 ampere. Therefore, it will also fuse. Now, further you can cross check with 100 volts. If 100 volts is coming, 100 by 200, 1 by 2, 0.5. So 0.5, therefore it will work. So 100 by 100, 1 ampere. So here current is passing 2 amperes. B2 will fuse. So this rated current, rated voltage, rated power, you should take care very carefully, and supplied voltage you should take. Supplied voltage is different, rated voltage is different. How much current it can bear by using this formula we can get, isn't it? So this is about bulbs connected in series, which is working, which is fusing.